Have you ever wondered why an octopus needs 3 hearts? Let's dive into the mystery of these fascinating creatures. Unlike us humans, who get by with a single powerful heart, cephalopods, a group that includes squids, cuttlefish, and our focus today, the octopus, have taken a different evolutionary path. They've developed not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Now you might be thinking, 3 hearts? Why would any creature need that many? So, let's venture beneath the waves and find out. Well, it all comes down to evolution and necessity. See, the octopus is a marvel of evolution, adapting to an environment and lifestyle that necessitated not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Why 3, you ask? Well, their blood is rich in copper-based hemocyanin, which makes it thicker than our own iron-rich blood. This thickness requires more pressure to circulate it efficiently around the body, especially to and from the gills. And that's where the 3 hearts come into play. Each of these 3 hearts has a very specific and essential role. The 2 branchial hearts are located near each of the octopus's 2 gills. Their job is to pump blood through these gills, facilitating the crucial process of oxygenation. But the work doesn't stop there. The 3rd heart then takes the spotlight, pumping this oxygen-rich blood to every corner of the octopus's body, from tentacle tip to bulbous head. So as you can see, each heart is crucial for the survival of the octopus in its underwater world. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, always finds a way to adapt and survive. The octopus, a master of evolution, stands as a testament to this. Its 3 hearts, a necessity for its copper-rich blood, showcase nature's resourcefulness. 2 hearts, called branchial hearts, pump blood through the gills, while the 3rd circulates oxygenated blood around its body. This intricate system exemplifies how nature ingeniously solves challenges. And that, dear viewers, is why the remarkable octopus needs not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our amazing world.